Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to fix the error of importing video inside the Adobe Premiere Pro. In order to do that, I have prepared an example for this particular video. And in this video, I'm going to try to import this video from my CGI folder inside Premiere Pro directly and see what error we're going to get. As you can see, we have the file import failure, and in order to fix that, we have one and specific way for this. I'm going to show you right now. And press OK. I lower down the size of the file, and I have to relocate the file to another file, which I'm gonna relocate now to my desktop. Okay, after I look at my desktop, I close a little bit down. Let's expand this program, and after that we're going to try to import once again the file to my desktop, import it inside my Adobe Premiere, and as you can see now, easily I can import inside my Adobe Premiere file program without any issue. And that's all. We fixed the problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until then, see you very soon. Bye bye and have a nice day. Goodbye.